Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel. And these readings are for the week of July 21 to 27. So let's start. Taurus, anong nangyayari? Okay. There's a certain person na parang bago sa life mo. It can be a new person sa work or a friend of a friend may pinakilala sa inyo or bagong tao sa barkada ninyo. And you feel that medyo parang na-insecure ka, nagsiselos ka, may konting envy, may not be open about it, pero meron kang feeling na parang hindi siya pumapasok na okay sa sa place of ano mo, yourself. So, ang sinasabi ko lang dito, Taurus, is I think you should try to be open to this new person. And dito mo kasi makikita na parang there are certain aspects in your life that are being highlighted which lumalabas is mas better ka than this person, 'di ba? So just, take it slow. Kilalanin mo tong bagong tao na to and you'll never know baka maging friends rin kayo. Yes, and this has been your reading for this week. Next week, balik ulit kayo. Abangan ninyo yung next na reading natin. And like, subscribe, follow me here on TikTok and on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.